Where's Jack? Really? Ah. Good job, Nana taught you that. What are you eating, Jack? You want to play peekaboo again? You want to play peekaboo? Where's Jack? Oh, no. Where's your tongue? There you go. Very good. Where's your hair? You don't want to do that right now. Silly boy. Silly boy. Silly. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly? Silly, silly, silly. Silly, silly, silly. Silly, silly. Where are your ears? There, you got 'em. Where's your hair? Hair. 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 Good job. Oh, you can beep Daddy's nose? Will Daddy come into the frame so we can beep the nose? How are we going to do this? Beep. Beep. Good job. Good job.